Paintbrush care and how to choose paintbrushes. Types of paintbrushes: flat, round, liner, angled, filbert. How to make your paintbrushes last a really long time. 1. Only add paint to the bristles and not to the ferrule. 2. Wipe off any excess paint onto a rag. It is not good for the paint to go into the plumbing system. 3. Rinse gently in warm water until the water runs clear. You should keep a few jars of water handy so that you don't have to go to the sink frequently. There's nothing worse when you're in the creative zone. 4. Dry your brush horizontally or upside down. You want the water to drip out, not up. If it dries up, it loosens the glue under the ferrule. I love the paint puck for this reason. 5. If the brush is hard to clean, add some good old-fashioned dish soap to remove the pigment. Most often, it is not necessary to use anything stronger. However, I have discovered this soap which works really well for stubborn paint stains. Don't do these to your brushes. Don't put your brush all the way into the water. When the metal gets wet, the glue loosens. Don't leave your brushes to dry right side up. The water goes down to the ferrule gets loose, the brush breaks. Once the brush is dry, it is okay to store upside down in a cup, but not while it is still wet. Don't stab your brush to the bottom of your cup. This is the best way to damage the bristles. To learn more, contact Kim at 224-202-6260.